Hello friend, this is Vikas. So in this video we are going to learn what is Nullable. Okay, so I create the one application. The name was the Nullable application. Okay, so whenever I declare the one variable. Okay, if I declare the one variable y equal to null. Okay, immediately compile time showing me errors. What the errors? Error 32-bit integer to be browse the .NET and like this. These are the cannot convert null to int because it is non-nullable value type. Okay, it means we cannot apply the directly null value to the any variable. Okay, if I declare the another variable like float, okay, and the value is like char, and I am going to add the some point, so it is possible. But whenever I adding the null as the float value, okay, so again it is not possible because it is again showing the cannot convert the null to float because it is a non-nullable type. Okay, so if sometimes whenever we fetching the data from the database, or in sometimes we entering the database in the into the database, or we are calling the database, creating the database. Okay, at that times every methods or every field should be a field, so avoid that problem we can use nullable. Okay, so to solve that problem, it is a very it means it is a very advanced topic, or may you can say it is advanced topic because we are still I am not using any database connectivity, but I can use or I can declare the null like this. Okay, so what are the how to declare the nullable? I declare like this nullable. Okay, then int, then x equal to null. Okay, x equal to null if I am checking the hash value of null. Okay, so what are the hash value of null? There is no any hash value of null. Okay, so what will be the output like this. Okay, value is empty. So if I run the code, see what will be the output. It is showing the value is empty, right? Okay, and another way to declare the nullable types, we can declare like this int, okay, int y is equal to null. This is also valid. Okay, you can declare like this or you can declare like this, and again I am checking the same control C, control C, and I am checking the value of hash value of y. Okay, so it will be showing me a hash value of y. See, y. Okay, and these are also. Okay, now I am save this code and running. Yeah, these two values, returning two values. Okay, if the field is empty, okay, then it is showing me the field is empty. If there is any value, it is showing me value of that variable. Okay, these are the advanced topics. Again I am saying these are the advanced topics, and this topic we are going to learn in the while the connectivity of the database. Okay, so till thank you.